guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, it's Marissa again, and look what we got. We got our Kiwi Lane Club kit for the month of February. Yay! So, as usual, I haven't opened it yet because I want to open it with you guys. By the way, guys, if you want to order a monthly subscription of the Kiwi Lane Club kits, my link is down in the description box below. And let's see what they have in store for us for this month. Oh my gosh, I am loving this. Better Together. Oh, how cute. I am loving it. Aww. And look guys, these are the ones that we're getting for templates, and as usual there's 15% off sale up to the end of this month, February 29, 2020. It's a Cherish accessory, Elements accessories, and tiny tags. I love that they had started putting this protectors here. These are really cool. See? So you don't get your edges or your ends and corners bent or crushed. Okay, let's start with our templates. You already saw how what the templates are. I just want to show you the sizes of these templates. Oh, look at this a la carte ampersand, guys. It is like huge. I wonder how big this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5. 5.5 tall by 1, 2, 3, 4.5 approximately. 5.5 tall, 4.5 wide. That is so huge. I love it. And these are the a la carte hugs and kisses. Oh, these are so cute. So cute. Okay, and then we have speech bubbles here and a thought bubble. Not bad. I'm loving it. That's our templates for this month, and then we're going to look at the cards. Okay guys, let's start with the 3x4s, and I'm going to go through this fast as normal. And onto our 4x4s. And to our 4x6s. Okay guys, I can't wait for these papers. Oh my gosh, just this alone I'm so in love with it. Look at the colors and look at the, oh my gosh, how delicate. Anyway, so let me go ahead and forge on with our papers. Okay guys, let me think of a layout and I will get back with you. See you in a while. Hey guys, so I am back. I am going to be working on a layout about friendship, and these are the pictures that I am going to work on, and these are my friends from, oh my gosh, way back in high school. So we were 13 years old when we all first met practically. Let me go ahead and work on this. I am not going to use any of the templates that we have shown in this layout. However, I am going to be using the large bracket 1, large bracket 3, and also the a la carte vintage. And off the kit, I plan to use this 4x4 card, and then I have in mind to use these 3 papers, or rather 4 papers, depending on how I'm going to float this layout in my head. Anyway, I want to do this 4 papers here. This is the Party Friends paper from the February kit. I'm going to start tracing now, guys. I'm going to start tracing with this paper using the vintage, Alcart Vintage. So with the same paper that I used to trace the vintage, I am going to trace this large bracket tree, and you will notice that I am only going to trace it to a certain point of the template. And using the large bracket one, I am going to draw a line to finish off the template. Okay guys, let's start cutting. Okay guys, we've cut our elements and now it's time to ink. Let's get our pictures, and I'm going to lay our pictures this way. So I'm going to start with the middle so that it'll stay where I want it. And I'm holding on to the top there. Make sure that it doesn't shift, because that's my that's where I'm going to butt this picture, and make sure that it is where we want it. There you go. And then I'm going to tack this down. Before I put this down, I'm going to go ahead and lay this where I need it. So I might have to pull the middle real quick just a bit, because I'm going to put this underneath just so I know where it goes, because I want to butt this on that pink right there. So let me see, is that how I'm gonna now put this down a bit more, because I want to make sure that this goes in the layout like so. Okay, so that's how I like it, and I'm going to go ahead and tack this down. Already? Oh no. Oh my gosh. Oh no. No, 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 no. Oh my gosh, guys, I ruined this picture, so I had to find another picture to replace it. Thankfully, I have another picture that I found in the album, but oh my gosh. Okay, I'm moving on, retacking, and placing all the pictures on the layout. Okay, and then I am going to tuck this right there, but I'm going to cut this out and trim it. And I'm going to put that over here, right there. Okay guys, oh my gosh, with an accident and all, I had to just replace the other picture. Hey guys, good times and crazy friends make the best memories, and this is so true. Like I said, I've had this bunch of friends since I was 13, and oh my god, they're crazier and crazier as we get older. Anyway, here we go. I hope you enjoyed our layout today, even with that little photo accident that I've had. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And yeah, that's it, thank you, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.